stranger here. I'm out in the country today looking for some Civil War relics and some Indian artifacts out here. So let's get hunting. I was just walking along and I noticed that you see this dirt up on this tree. This is where some hogs were rubbing up against it when they had this wet mud. So they were taking the mud off of this bark, I guess, to clean themselves.
Just give them the itch in their backs.
Itch in their backs, yeah. So that's a cool little find that you would just come across in the woods. Just got a really good signal. It's reading at 70s and 60s. It's all bouncing around this dense grass. But I just started mount teching right next to this really big tree that's probably about 200 to 300 years old. So it's always a good place to mount tech because, you know, it would be a good marking place for anybody from a long time ago. So let's dig this thing up. This dirt's pretty nice. It's gonna be a little bit hard though with the roots. But if you notice, I got this new shovel just today, so it's gonna be fun using this. Dig this one up. Yeah, there's roots everywhere around here. That's nice though, with this nice serrated blade. You're gonna chop a lot of these roots out. So it's easier to dig. I don't think it's out of the hole, but I'm gonna get my pincorder out and see if I can. Oh, it's out. Okay, let's see what it is. That might be it. Yeah, it looks like it is. I don't quite really know what this is. Something made out of maybe lead. Oops. Ouch. So let's see if that was it. Let me get my null detector back on. Yeah, that was it. Okay, I'll keep on looking and show you if I find anything else. See you later. I'm really sweating really bad here because this dirt's so hard and all the signals are so deep, but finally I found a signal that was reading like an 80 or 90, and it was just a buckle. I think it was reading so high because there was a hole in it, the opening. Well, that's pretty cool, a brass buckle. Yep. Let's keep on hunting. I just found this really good signal on the side here, but it's maybe stainless steel. I thought it was gonna be off of like a tractor part because I found like a few pieces like flat iron and these gears off of a tractor. So I thought it was gonna be another tractor piece, but it turned out to be a mug. And I broke the handle off of it accidentally, trying to get it out, but see, I couldn't, that's all I could see, and it ended up being a mug. So let's dig this out real quick, without trying to damage it. That's a big one too. Not like any old coffee mug, you like a pot. That's pretty funny. Yeah, it looks like the metal looked like it's almost welded in a way, but you know, it can't be welded because, you know, the pot looks like it's made out of pottery. Which I might be wrong, it might be just aluminum. Or, let me get up through the top, guys. Guys. There it is. Got it from the top. Roots out. think what I'm gonna have to do is just get behind it here, get deep enough, and just pry it out from back here. Yeah, there we go. Woo, that's a pretty big one. Ready? Moment of truth. Boom!
Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at that!
It's a tea. It's like a pot, like a pot.
Coffee pot.
Not a coffee mug.
Oh, that.
Well, I bet we're gonna be able to fix that if we could weld it, solder it, and make it look nice. But there we go.
Oh,
And the hinge here.
oh, that is
I didn't get me some coffee.
cool.
I'm really hot. Some ice, oh, maybe some tea, Okay. See you later for now. I just got a pretty good signal. It's going at 60, 65 to 70. So let's see what it is. This dirt's a lot better than down there where I was digging. There's just a lot less clay. Okay, it's pretty sure it's out of the hole now. Let me check with the metal detector real quick. And then see if I can pinpoint it. Guess that's a sign that it's out of the hole. Oops. I'm having trouble finding this thing. It's a coin! Now it's pretty deep, so it might be something good. I'm thinking oh no, it's not a coin.
The button?
It's a button. No, it's not a button. It's a shotgun shell. It's an older one. Well, actually, no, it's not an older one. Never mind. Well, it's just a shotgun, so you can see by the primer there. So, no wonder it's reading pretty good because, you know, circle. Detector, that was a coin. But, hey, there's a whole bunch of signals in here, so it's... I just found like a brooch of some sort that might be gold plated. I know it's not gold because you can see where the gold plated has got kind of chipped off there. But you can tell by the shininess when the light hits it that it was gold plated. Now, that might be all that's there. It could have been like a woman's buckle. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's a brooch. Let's see if it's any more pieces are still in there. Okay, there's something else in there. I'll put this.
I'll take it for you.
Okay. My mom's gonna take the brooch. See, that's... Wait. Hopefully we can get the whole brooch or woman's buckle. I just saw something metal. That's sandstone. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. It has like like this is, it looks like wheat. See from the lighting? But no, it's not like gold plated. I don't think it's like gold plated like the brooch that I just found, but it might be a part from it. I don't know. Let's see if there's even more. So I know this is kind of like jewelry. So, oh, there's more. Maybe like a whole jewelry box got dumped here. Get some gold rings. I just put together all these objects that I had found that I was thinking a woman's buckle or maybe a brooch of some sort. But I'm gonna have to do a lot of research to figure out exactly what this is. I think these are supposed to be to this, but I just put the pieces that look like they fit together, which that and that. But this piece doesn't really fit with all this, but all this does. So I'm thinking it's gonna be a buckle, but I'll tell you when I figure it out. These are the finds I found at a big chunk of land that was settled in the late 19th century. So here are the bottles I found. Let's go to the bottles first. There's a mason jar. Nothing real cool, like no soda bottles, but some pretty cool stuff. Some milk glass, complete one. I'm gonna figure out what that says. It says Pond's. That's probably some brand of, you know, like stuff for cooking and stuff. Here's another bottle. Purple glass. Piece of glass. This is the oldest one for sure because it's hand blown. You can tell by the big indentation in it. So that was really cool. It would have been awesome to find a complete one of those. Just awesome. Here's all the trash. A lot of trash. But out of the trash, this is pretty cool. Like an old coffee cup. Got my coffee. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Too bad I accidentally broke the handle here, but you know, that's fine. Let's go to the best finds of today. Okay, so we got like this brass ring that was probably used for maybe a curtain rod for the shower. Piece of lead, probably from a bullet that got squished. 2 .44 Magnum bullet casings. 2 shotgun shells. 2 buckles. And here, this #1 best find. I found all this in one hole. Like, so many pieces. See, look at that. It's, I'm thinking it's from, like, maybe a brooch, a buckle, maybe a strap that a woman would wear around their shoulder. I really don't know. And then it comes with these other pieces that fit. You can see this fits just like that. Bring it up like that, and then bam, it fits. And there's 2 other pieces that don't match, so they're the loaners. They don't have any couples that are attached to them. So that's about it. But next week I'm gonna be going there, and we're probably gonna be going to a dump that a lot of people would throw their stuff off the edge of the runoff. And then close to winter time, I'm gonna go to this mansion that was built in the 1800s. So look forward to that in the winter time. See you later.